Today we will learn about the WH family. It is very important for us to know English. Especially it is very useful to create interrogative sentence. Today I will try to cover as many words in the WH family as possible so that you don't have any problems in the future. After watching this video, I don't think you will have any issues with WH words. So watch the video carefully to the end. Everything will be clear to you. So let's get started. What? What is used to ask for information about people or things? What do you want? What do you want? What is going on? What is going on? What's your name? What's your name? What is the story? What is the story? What for? What's for supper? What's for supper? What for is this? What for is this? What is this for? What is this for? What are they for? What are they for? For what? For what purpose? For what purpose? Whatever. I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. I will do whatever you wish. I will do whatever you wish. What else? What else do you want? What else do you want? What else did he say? What else did he say? At what time? At what time will the train arrive at the station? At what time will the train arrive at the station? At what time did you arrive at station? At what time did you arrive at station? What type of? What type of stone is this? What type of stone is this? What type of music do you like? What type of music do you like? What sort of? What sort of shampoo do you use? What sort of shampoo do you use? What sort of music do you listen to? What sort of music do you listen to? What kind? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? What then? Supposing he is not at home, what then? Supposing he is not at home, what then? Suppose the news is true, what then? Suppose the news is true, what then? Whatsoever. He had no sense of rhythm whatsoever. He had no sense of rhythm whatsoever. I had no sensation of pain whatsoever. I had no sensation of pain whatsoever. Who? Used especially in question to ask which person or people or to ask someone's name. For example, who is he? Who are you? Who are you? Who stole the apple? Who is playing guitar? Who is playing guitar? Whoever. Whoever says that is a liar. Whoever says that is a liar. Whoever suggested such a thing. Whoever suggested such a thing. Whoever made this cake is a real artist. Whoever made this cake is a real artist. I will take whoever wants to go. Whosoever. Whosoever drink from that, they are thirsty forever. Which. Used to show particular thing. For example, which do you want? Which is your bag? Which is your pen? Which hat is yours? Whichever. Whichever you buy, there is a 6-month guarantee. Choose whichever of them you like best. Choose whichever of them you like best. Take whichever hat suits you best. Take whichever hat suits you best. Which type? Which type of tea do you prefer? Which type of oil do you recommend it for my car? Which type of oil do you recommend it for my car? In which. Behavior is a mirror in which everyone shows his image. In which direction are you going? North or south? I had no time in which to prepare. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with new topic. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English easily, because regularly we come with new learning videos. If you can share the video with your friends, and of course comment on how do you like our videos, or you can let us know by commenting if you need anything help. Stay well and stay with us to learn English.